Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Hey guys, about the way Umalima is so obsessed about people getting arrested. You'll do anything, eh? You'll be there to see them getting arrested. He's the type of a person. I'm just like, okay, guys, which is fine, guys, but I mean, there's processes, and it's like I said on the video before, there's processes. You don't just arrest people in life. That's where he was already with the General Kumar. Is there anyone that has been arrested? How? I'm like, when? You know? Guys, after crime intelligence head General Dumsani Kumalo gave evidence there, or should we say testimony, or he represented himself there at ad hoc. Now there's a problem. Kuzo zonke nje izinto eseyishiwo, even naye Mkhwanazi izinto ayishiwo uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, iphi i-evidence yokuthi ena uSenzo Mchunu is indeed a criminal? We have a long way to go, because we cannot prove anything. And then ngapha-ke izinto-ke they are coming out, although I wanted also on top of Namhla, even that, like the last time, iphume again indaba kaSenzo Meyiwa as well. It didn't really come out with uKhumalo, but uNamhla-ke it came out ukuthi no, actually the witnesses have been unalived and judgely involved. And I don't know how this guy is pulling his strings, this politician that actually is the accused in a way, although who's the one who actually sent the stabilizers to unalive uNamhla as she was parking a car outside. Pa 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 ingane yabantu. Ngoba isithi ayisakufuni. Hi guys. Because when you're prominent, you've got powers. But ngiyakutshela bo lento le kaNamhla nalomuntu wakhe lo ongekho right. Now, besides the people that were unalived, witnesses, even the sister was now living in hiding. Actually, she is hiding herself somewhere. Usaba Brothers, because he didn't do the job. He had to send people to do his dirty job. I always say, guys, on these videos, leave people, bruh. You can't force people to be with you. And unaliving them, how is it gonna help? I even said yesterday, you know what, much. I think it's time. I just feel this cat. Because honestly, like, this is just so unfair. This guy ad hoc, he has got what has happened there. They need to see how are they going to articulate this. It's the same as the Senzo Meyiwa case. And yaphela manje ad hoc thina sesivele savalelwa ngaphandle with the Senzo Meyiwa. Akekho, it's okay guys, now what's gonna happen? Should we bring uBrigadier Kininda at ad hoc? Because I'm not saying it's funny like ad hoc. Actually, Madlanga, like I said, it's actually wasting my time now, sort of, you know. Ngifuna ukuthi kube ad hoc that's gonna discipline this guy who's doing as he please. Uqamba manga, you know, he's got powers. But now, umnganakhe uShadrack Josephus B, bathi imminent arrest yakhe akaboshwa. Like, yenake there's been ngiyambona uSenzo Mchunu. His name has been coming out too much, and ngathi khona vele evidence for him. Ngiyamsukele General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi athi criminal engeyona. He said so many times ngihlale naloyo mina around the same table, and he's a criminal. Can you imagine? He didn't mince his words. He was just like, I don't care, but that's what I know. Because guys, he did investigate him. Ngiyazamsukele. But uSenzo Mchunu, here and there, iyashota i-evidence yakhe. Kodwa-ke nje the highlights on General Khumalo's evidence is that, or testimony, the MPs were busy nokuthi puti, can we have legit evidence, which he didn't have, like I said, for the Mchunu, for example. So going forward again, at least he gave us that light, or he added on General Mkhwanazi ukuthi no, actually there's a problem with justice system in South Africa, and there's a huge problem as SAPS. Instead of those people protecting us as South Africans, bona bathatha some of us babenza ama-criminals, nabo ba ama-criminals basically. Shedrack being the most person implicated here, ukuthi he works with cartels. Ezobe ethi I know, ayekho nje cartel, it's nothing like that, there is no big five. Just because you're not on big five, that doesn't mean when into yenzayo ugijimisa ukwazi ngalama big five. That's what he was doing uMokgotsi. UMokgotsi first, I don't think he will be arrested. There's nothing much. And uMokgotsi unje plus boy, like I said, was Sebahike, who was trying to be known. This is how Fikile was like, hey, Wena, please just leave us alone. You don't even have membership. He does though. That's just what's crazy. I think Bele Imahike will be better yena when it comes to ANC and all of that. Ngaze ngathi mina, hey, chances are Zela. Ufikile lo. This is why Fikile was like, hey, ba yena lo simazelaphi. Like ubona leyo nto leyo. And then it actually did come out ukuthi khona izinto amazela zona uFikile Mbalula. He was also implicated naye loyo ukuthi he's got some shady deals that he's been busy with. Ngapha uJulius ukukhuluma kabi nge-MK, like guys, ukuhamba ukhuluma ngabantu babo bagosipha, concentrate on your party. Mina, that's just my thing, and grow yourself. And ngize ngathi mina, who are you gonna get in KZN ukhuluma ngokuthi ukusidi are foolish? Guys, who even says things like that? And you are supposed to be a leader when, and you sit with these people, the same people, you sit with them there at the parliament. You can't guys say those things about people. And MK never really says crazy things about you, Julius. The stuff he was saying in some podcast, I was just like, what? Okay. It's beyond me. One expects on Newsroom Africa did explain when they were speaking to him about everything that has just happened and the way ISAPS is and how do you control this going forward, you know? He was just saying, you know what, they made an example. Actually, the presenter on Newsroom Africa made an example. Because of power, people do their own things and extort or accused. For example, who was on this one who accused Babi Chupi, but it's the whole thing you could pose on and okay, Ninda, it lives on that tape. So what are you gonna do? I'm bigger than you. But I think actually this time is over. In fact, we are going to still make noise until before June. Something is gonna happen in Central May's case. Yes, it's a Pelatina band busy coming again on Monday, on the 19th July to us. Are we not exhausted? We are. The MPs are right, and in Nakona, you can't just come there when as head of intelligence. Like, this high school. Can we have proper, legit, basically evidence for all those people? So here is the list of the stuff that they've done, so that we can bop up and actually call them in and be like, okay, but we must be awenza so. General Khumalo wathi ene uBrown Mokgotsi cheerleader guys of the cartels, but uyakwazi ukuma message guys, there's nothing like that. He messages them now and then. Uyakhuluma nomculo, akhuluma like how is he a cheerleader then? Guys, isoke sime kancane because manje iyabona ukuthi kufana nalento ka DJ Waras futhi isekuthiwa manje it's actually the reason why not even give us the CCTV. It's a pusha manje. It's at the butchery, the CCTV. Before, bengathi it's not far from the building yakhe DJ Waras. Sekuthiwa no, actually, it could be cartels that are involved in his unaliving. Gumo. Obviously, I mean, they would have sent abantu babo, like you see, Victor Majola, no Hlengiwe, a girlfriend yakhe that actually sent him to say, listen, but the cartels that own those crazy buildings there in CBD, sisaba no walk on. Besides, but I mean, it's like so crazy, guys. So there's also that story, DJ Waras ubulawe ama cartels. This is why warning information, we can't get anything. The CCTV footage, where is it? Where's the deadlock guy? Where's the guy that came back twice to the crime scene? His lifeless body was there. DJ Horace. Guys, I see, guys, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Over.